Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So GearBest Black Friday is pretty cool, and I just wanted to do a quick promo video. They didn't ask me to do the video, but I wanted you guys to try to get this deal. How about a OnePlus 6T for $299, the global version? How about a Xiaomi Mi 8 for $199? Yep, it's gonna be tight, but you can possibly do it. The first 10 people who hit that link in the description at the designated time when it starts, you guys will get those phones for those prices. $199 for the Mi 8 and $299 for the 6T. That is just killer. So hit those links in the description at the designated time and see if you can grab yours. That's going to be a heck of a deal. Now, other than that, those phones also are going to be on promo. So if you don't catch them for those lower prices, you can still grab them for a very low price. And that's only for the first 10 people on either one of those phones that you can get that phone, those phones for those $199 and $299 prices. The $299 and $199 prices, I mean, I have both phones, and I'm telling you, both phones are hot. I talked about them in my Galaxy Note 9 video that I recently published. Those two phones are phones that I can highly recommend to anyone. I mean, anyone. Those phones are spectacular. So the links are down below. You just make sure you go back and check the links right now so you can see the time, when it's going to start, and then the phone links will be down there too. So you got to be quick, because I think about this is worldwide, so you're gonna have to be really fast, because there's 10 phones. The first 10 people in each one of those who hit buy, they're gonna see that discounted price. So it's gonna be tough. But again, even if you don't get it, you'll still be able to, the phones are gonna be like 25% off or something like that. So that's a big discount off of those prices. So there you have it, man. Wanted to give you a quick video. Check all the links at the top of the description down there. Click on them, hurry, because it's coming fast. I think with recording this video, you still have about 19 hours or so before the sale starts. So you better hurry. You better hurry. Save those links in your bookmarks. Click on them, then save them in your bookmarks so you can go back to them real quick, or save them to your desktop on your, or this home screen on your phone, or your desktop on your computer, whatever you want to do. Bookmark those links down below. And not just those phones, tons of other phones are going to be on sale. So just scan around there. The sales are actually going on right now for GearBest, so phones are already discounted. So had to share that with you, man. I think that's going to be a sweet deal for the people to grab that. And if you are able to grab it for those prices, leave a comment down below, or tag me on Twitter, with a screenshot or something like that at Mr. J.L. Williams, and let me know. Obviously cover up your address and your order number and stuff like that, but just, I got to see if someone can actually catch these at these low prices. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.